Hey, it's Obi here. Welcome to the video. I'm going to talk about how to create bonuses that will 10x your results in affiliate marketing. And I will also show you a way to create these bonuses and landing page in less than 5 minutes. And those are not BS bonuses. Those are actually highly valuable that increases the value of the offer. So first of all, let me just tackle these questions because it's important to understand why are you giving these bonuses? What should you give as the bonuses? And what if you're a total newbie? How can you do it? Shortcut for high quality bonuses. And as I said, I will show you the AI tool to do it in less than 5 minutes. So let's talk about why give bonuses. So the first point is that it pushes buyers on the edge, push buyers on the fence. These bonuses, if you do it correctly, it will push a potential customer. He's not a customer yet. He is hesitant. He's just one decision away from buying that, and these bonuses close that deal, right? This will help you secure that sale and make you affiliate commissions. All right. So second point is it creates FOMO, right? So what is FOMO? FOMO means fear of missing out. So if you have a really good bonus, then your potential customers has that really compelling reason that I have to get this product through his link so that I can get that bonus that he's offering that is highly valuable. If I don't get it through his affiliate link, I am not going to get that bonus, right? So that is fear of missing out. And number 3 is it improves on the main product, on the main offer, right? A good bonus should enhance the original product, the original offer by solving a related problem. For example, if you're promoting a video creation course, a great bonus would be a tutorial on video SEO to help them get more views, right? So that's the main 3 reasons why you should give bonuses. And in this day and age, you actually should give out these bonuses here. All right. Now let me talk about what should you give as bonuses. So I'm going to talk about 2 core principles before I talk about what type of bonuses should you give. So the first point is relevance. The bonus should be relevant to your main offer. For example, if you are promoting a Facebook related offer, but you are providing a bonus related to Pinterest, it doesn't make any sense. You should give another bonus that increases the value of the main offer or solves a problem of that main offer, right? And another point would be it should have a monetary value assigned, a realistic monetary value assigned, because when people see that monetary value assigned, it increases the perceived value of the offer that you're giving them. And if they compare that to the buying price, the cost of that offer, it should look like it's a no-brainer deal, right? And it should be realistic. So if you were to sell that product, how much would you sell that for? You should put that, right? If it is a $27 offer, like you're giving a template away, a couple of templates away, and if you were to sell it, it could cost $27, then put $27 and not $97 or $197. People tend to exaggerate these prices, but you should not do that. So just remember that, right? Now I have to talk about what type of bonuses as well, right? So let me just go back here and talk about the types of bonuses so that you can, like what can be a good bonus to provide, right? So let's talk about that. So number 1 is courses and training, right? For example, you are selling a course for Facebook ads, right? You're selling that affiliate offer. Now the bonus could be how to create the graphic in Canva to create those Facebook ads, or a custom tutorial. Like if you have watched the training, if you have the access to training, and if you have tried that, then you can do a custom video tutorial and show them your ads, your case studies and things like that. That could be a great bonus and a deal breaker really. So courses and training is a great bonus. The next one could be some sort of software. What sort of software? Things like WordPress plugins or Chrome extensions that is available, and those type of things are available on these websites like idplr.com. So if you visit this website, you will be able to get these public label rights products that you can download. There is free versions and there is paid versions. I recommend paid versions, right? You get it for like $3 or $5, one entire course, entire software, and then you can rebrand it or spin it any way that you want, and you can actually sell that or you can offer that as a bonus. Now that you have AI, you can do a whole bunch of things with it. But yeah, it really increases the value. And the next one would be templates, right? Templates and checklists. So these are the fill in the blank resources like email scripts or funnel templates that save your customers work. For example, if you're selling, a funnel building related course, then you can give them done for you funnels that you have created, and that increases the value of that main offer. Since they don't have to put work, you are saving them time and you are providing incredible value with your bonus. Or you can provide checklists, right? I should write that down too. And the next bonus could be your time. And by your time, I mean coaching, one-on-one coaching, or custom tutorials, things like that. And this is one of the most valuable bonus that you can provide. It positions you as an expert. For example, if you know how to do a certain thing, and if you're confident that you are able to go on a call with that person and help them take that action with the offer that you are promoting, then that's a great bonus to provide. All right, next one could be, as I said, PLR products itself. But PL products ID plr.com, for example. Let me just show you the website real quick, right? So let me just copy that and open a new tab here. Let's just paste that out. So this is idplr.com, and you can see 12,000 PLR products which you can resell and keep 100% of the profits. So you can download courses for pretty much anything, download softwares. If you go here, categories, as you can see, ebooks, reports, graphics and designs, templates and themes. So you can go to each section here. For example, consistency code video upgrade, the consistency code, email masterclass video upgrade. If you're selling something related to email marketing, you can definitely give them this email masterclass video upgrade. You can download this $15, and now you keep it forever, and you can rebrand it, change the name, change the creator name, and sell this or provide it as a bonus. So that's a great way to do it. And of course, if you buy a report, then you can easily spin it with AI, use free tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever that you use. So yeah, those are the types of high valuable bonuses that you can provide. Right now, the questions: what if I am a total newbie? Is there any shortcut for high quality bonuses? And for that, I want you to introduce to a software called Bonus Builder AI. Well, this is a software just launched yesterday by Kevin Feige, one of the most respected vendors and creators on Warrior Plus. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to build a bonus right here, and those are going to be highly relevant and highly valuable. All the points that I talked about here, it will be present in here, since Kevin Feige has been in internet marketing, in this affiliate marketing space for years now, and he knows exactly what to do, what sells, and he put all that knowledge and information inside this Bonus Builder AI software that he released. So let me just go and open Warrior Plus real quick. Here I am in my Warrior Plus account, and this is affiliate offers section, and we can pick anything random, right? But most of the offers really are crap here, and there are only few vendors that are actually good. Kevin Feige here is good, Benjamin Fletcher. Let's just go with the Rapid List Building System by Benjamin Fletcher, right? What you need to do is you can go to simply the sales page, just open the sales page, that's it. And this is the sales page. Now all you need to do is you need to simply Control A, Control C, that is Control All, and Control Copy. And I don't need to get that. So I can just simply go back to the Bonus Builder AI and just simply paste that there. That's it. I don't need to do any prompting here, right? You don't need to be an expert at prompting on AI. So I just click on enter here, and it is starting to think, and it should start generate me an outline of all these bonuses that it can provide me. All right. So the offer is, what was the offer again? Rapid List Building System, right? Yeah. So it has given me some ideas, 10 exclusive bonus ideas. The first is the 5-minute bridge page template pack. Good one. Affiliate offer selection cheat sheet, top 5 high converting niches, the inbox anticipation email swipe file. It goes well with it. Is, you can see all these bonuses are relevant to this offer here, right? This is Rapid List Building System. So I can go back here and check any amount of bonuses that I wanted to create. If I don't like any, I can simply ask it to provide me more ideas. But these are pretty much good. I like the 9th one. I like let's go with the 3rd one. So the 3rd and the 9th. So I like those, and I want to create bonuses on that. So I will simply click on enter, and it will start generating me bonus. So it has started to create all those bonus here. Excellent choices, the inbox anticipation email size. Which of these 2 bonuses would you like me to outline first? Obviously the first one. So I will click on that. I will enter 1, and it has started to create me the bonuses. It's thinking. So it has given me the outline here. This is the outline. This outline provides a robust structure for 6,000 words, and I will just enter yes, and it will start to create a complete 6,000 plus word outline of this entire content, this entire outline here, right? So it already has started to create. Again, the inbox anticipation, and has given the value of $97 here. So you can use that, as I said, right here on this monetary value. You can use that. And since as this is going to be very valuable, I can actually learn a lot from this. So curiosity, the open loop, how to use it in RLS, subject line hooks, cliffhanger body, consistency, C3 connection, the 3Cs, the part 2, the 5 advanced email swipe files, detailed breakdown, and it has given me the swipe file, the unfinished story in a separate section. You can use all this. It has given me a table. This thing is actually perfect. As you can see, right, it has created a complete bonus, a high valuable bonus from scratch that I can actually sell if I want to, right? And it is related, it is highly relevant to this rapid lead system. So you can read it. If you want to make changes, you can ask it. And it is asking me, do you approve this outline for the welcome sequence audit checklist? Once approved, I'll proceed with the generating complete 6,000 word content. All right. So this one is the bonus outline. There is end of the bonus content 1. So I can simply copy this, right, for first, and I can simply go here, create a new document. I can create a new document here, and then I can paste that content, remove the unrelated parts here. For example, I don't want the bonus to mention here, I guess, right? Bonus outline here, end of the bonus content, I can remove till then. And in the first section, I can remove the unrelated part here as well. There we go. And now your bonus is ready. All you need to do is format it, and you can use free tools like ChatGPT and simply ask it to format it better, provide underlines, provide bold text where it is required, and it will give that to you. Copy that, come back here, paste it here, and simply click on file, download, and download as PDF. Your highly valuable bonus is ready in minutes, right? And you just clicked, I like these bonuses 1 and 2, and then you just typed out yes and yes. Now this is asking me to create the next one. So I will just write yes, but yeah, it is thinking, and it has started to create that unique high valuable bonus again about the welcome sequence audit. Again, the same thing, and it's completed the bonus here, and you have 2 bonuses ready within minutes. I'm doing this video and that's why it's slow, but you know, as you can see, within minutes you have 2 highly valuable bonus. Now it's asking me if it should start creating that bonus page, right? So this not only creates bonuses, it also creates landing page for you, and that's massive. It's a huge time saver. So let's see. Before I proceed, please tell me what style and colors you would like for your bonus. HTML page, product vibe, option A, match RLS, dark background, high contrast text. Yeah, option A. I like the option A. Option A. Yes. Or you can also upload a screenshot of the RLS sales page or paste any CSS you like, and I can try to match it. What I can do is I can simply go back to RLSS and I can simply, you know, do this here, right? This is what sales page looks like. The theme looks like. I can go here and I can paste it here, right? Screenshot attached. That's it. It will start creating me that page here. So it's thinking right now, it's analyzing everything, and it has started generating it, right? This is an excellent choice, option A. Now it's asking me the bonus page outline, high contrast. Please confirm which of these headlines do you prefer. So it's asking me what type of headlines that I want. So I'll go above, and the persuasive bonus RLS turbocharger, stop guessing, get the RLS system plus our 2-part blueprint for a hyper responsive list that pays you daily. Very nice. Clone the profit loop, error profit your profits. I like the first one. I will click on first, right? Write down first and enter, and it will start to create me the landing page here. As you can see, it is coding here. So those 2 bonuses were basically created in 2 minutes, and this one it will just take barely 2 minutes or so, like maybe 1 minute. So it has created me that bonus page here, and what I need to do is I can simply click on these. It also gave me the blog post and the social media post if I want, but what I can do is I can simply go here and simply copy that text, and I can simply open up a notepad file, and I can simply paste it here and click on file, click on save as, and you know, test.html. make sure to do that, test.html, click on save, and it shall be there on your downloads page or wherever that you selected as an HTML file. As you can see, I have created more, so I can click on test, and look at that, it has created me all the bonus title, the bonus assigned value, and it has also created me this button here, and it can add affiliate link for me if you to ask it. It has literally created me this within 2 minutes. So 2 minutes for 2 bonuses and 2 minutes for this, that's in 4 minutes, and has perfectly captured the theme of the main sales page here right? And that is excellent. Now if you want to create more bonuses, add that in here, add videos in here, that can do it too. As you can see, if you go here, you will see, click on start here, you will see all these video tutorials, the new bonus builder AI demos, branding bonus pages, uploading to your website. If you don't have a website, you can use apps like Netlify to host your pages and such, right? Also, you can click on workflow and capabilities. As you can see, if you want headline plus video here, you can simply copy this prompt here, right? And you can simply add it here, and it will now make additional changes onto that code, give you a new code. You can simply go back to the notepad, save it, and it will be changed here, right? If you want to learn more about this in detail, I have an in-depth demo of this bonus builder AI, and I will provide the link for that in the description below, so you can watch that and make your decision if you want this or not. I will also leave the link to the review page of the bonus builder AI below, and that link will be, so I want to show you that, right? I want to show you that what I created. So bonus builder AI review. So this is a page that I created using bonus builder AI software here, right? So let me just load that up. And as you can see, it has created me a beautiful bonus page under 2 minutes, and it's awesome, right? If you want to purchase, you can actually go and check out my bonuses that I'm actually going to give you if you were to get the bonus builder AI. Clicking this button here, it's actually right now for $27 in this launch phase. It launched yesterday, and in about 4 days, it will almost double to $47, and the price will increase. This is not a fake scarcity. So yeah, if you want this, you can get it, or otherwise, I hope you got the value from how to create this bonuses video. So if you liked it, give it a like, check the link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.